The greatest strength lies in our people, from boardrooms to living rooms. Our Renew family is filled with the amazing individuals whose talent deserves to be celebrated. And that's why we created Renew's Got Talent, a platform where dreams come to life and stars are born. From 160 nominations, 24 finalists will battle it out for the winning title today. But first, let's meet our three mentors who have been guiding these performers to their potential.
You know, once we selected the top 24, as a matter of fact, we knew that these performances are going to be really good. I want you to leave people with a message. And people should feel, okay, fine, this is, and it should take people by surprise. Well, honestly, for me, this entire journey, road to the final with these exceptional performers, will be a more memorable moment than the final destination itself.
मैं हूँ टीम रंगवाज का नया मेंटर. नाम है ऋतुराज. नाम तो सुना ही होगा. I think your voice is coming really good. थोड़ी सी बस और एनर्जी डालनी है. गला ठीक रखना है. So my other co-mentors, Neha, Nitin, we had a lot of fight. Trust me guys, we had a lot of fight. हमारे बहुत सारे issues हुए. Neha was the strictest. She was like, video start नहीं होता, no. He cannot go. And Nitin being too liberal. नहीं यार, he's really the right talent. So I was like, नहीं hold करते हैं. Let's again, relook again this thing.
I think it was really eye-opening to see a lot of talent that was there, that we have on the team and in the organization, and people are actually passionate about following this,
I was actually very surprised when I got to know that I was selected in the top 24. Very unexpected for me. I just did it for the sake of it, and somehow it clicked for me.
If I talk about music, I think music is something that I remember being connected to for as long as I can remember. It's a part of who I am.
नितिन सर ने बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ दिए थे कि अपने परफॉर्मेंस को और इनोवेटिव और अच्छा कैसे बना सकें.
रिन्यू के इस अनोखे कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करना मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, क्योंकि यहाँ एम्प्लॉय के साथ उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स के टैलेंट को भी मौका मिल रहा है.
So I participated in Renewers Day. So that was the first participation of mine in Renew, and I think this is the best platform.
Yes, I've interacted with Rituraj. I think we sat down yesterday, we talked about what all we can do, and there was plan A, B and C, and then we finalized on one plan.
It is not important to win, it is important to make the other guy lose. Good luck.
I'm your biggest fan. So my mentor, the best part about Rituraj is that his skin is as much in the game as is yours as a contestant. So he plays for the win, and he'll make sure you do that too.
So I have been in drama and music since my childhood. When I saw this drama category in Renew Got Talent competition, so I was very happy to participate.
For each and every performance, we are trying to find out that X factor which will make them a winner.
Trust me, all these 24 finalists, they are really amazing. And I'm very, very hopeful that they will absolutely rock the stage.
You look at the ideas that they're bringing to the table. To me as a mentor, I think it's amazing. It's unreal, the kind of creativity that some of these guys have displayed.
For me, the most critical thing is attitude, a go-getter attitude in the contestants that I would be looking for.
Each of you is a rock star just because you came forward and are participating in our debut talent program.
You are going to show me what is extra talent you have, and I'm going to judge it.
To the others out there, you haven't seen the best of me yet. What you've seen till now is only tip of the iceberg. So watch out for me. I'm a wild card entry for something.
माना कि मैं छोटा हूँ, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं नीचे रहूँ या फिर मैं अच्छा प्ले नहीं कर सकता. मैं कर सकता हूँ और मैं इस कॉम्पिटिशन में जीतूँगा.
What I'd like to say to my fellow competitors is that I'll be coming to you really soon to get some ideas on how a person can spend 50,000.
So Rituraj and Neha, you've got a really, really good team. Sadly for you, I've got the best one. So बच के रहना, we are coming. 1, 2, 3, 4 आ रहे हैं Rockstar.
I can vouch that winner will come from Rangwaj. कितनी भी मेहनत कर लो, जीतेगा तो कोई रंगबाजी. That's for sure.
So to my competitors from Neha Ke Nutcut, हमसे जो टकराएगा चूर चूर हो जाएगा.
Just be yourself, have a great time, and get some of us boring people to share some of your infectious energy. That's all you need to do.
The contest has been a long one. People have fought it hard. This is the last step. Apply the pressure on the pedal and take it away.
And in case you don't make me laugh or you don't make that impact, I will tell HR to charge you for your travel. So be ready for that. All the best. Let's enjoy and bring the best out of you. We are here to judge you.
And now, the moment we've been waiting for. Today, let's witness their magic and celebrate the extraordinary. Renew's Got Talent, where stars are born.